హలో స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు శ్రీ గురు బయో క్లాసెస్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 6th క్లాస్ జనరల్ సైన్స్ సెకండ్ సెమిస్టర్ మోషన్ అండ్ మెజర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ డిస్టెన్సెస్ చాప్టర్కి సంబంధించి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ గురించి వివరంగా తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. నౌ లెట్స్ కమ్ టు ద టాపిక్. జనరల్ సైన్స్ సెకండ్ సెమిస్టర్ చాప్టర్ 7 మోషన్ అండ్ మెజర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ డిస్టెన్సెస్ textbook exercises. Now let us come to the first question. Give two examples each of modes of transport used on land, water and air. Answer: mode of transport examples: land, bus, car, jeep, truck, train, etc. Water transport: ship, boat, submarines, steamer, boats, etc. Air: aeroplane, helicopter, etc. Students, you should write any two of these. Next, move on to second question. Fill in the blanks. Type 1 meter is dash centimeters, 100 centimeters. Second question, 5 kilometer is dash meters. Answer: 5000 meters. Third question, motion of a child on a swing is dash motion, periodic motion, or this is also known as oscillatory motion. Next, fourth question, motion of the needle of a sewing machine is periodic motion, or this is also known as oscillatory motion. Next, motion of wheel of a bicycle is circular motion. Next, move on to third question. Why can a pace or a footstep not to be used as a standard unit of length? Answer: pace or a footstep of each and every person is not equal. This causes confusion. So, pace or footsteps are not used as a standard unit of length. Next, move on to fourth question. Arrange the following lengths in their increasing magnitude: 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 millimeter. Now coming to this answer, lengths in their increasing magnitude, or this is also known as ascending order, as follows: 1 millimeter is less than 1 centimeter, is less than 1 meter, is less than 1 kilometer. So this is the ascending order of increasing magnitude. Next, move on to question number 5. The height of a person is 1.65 meters. Express it in centimeters and millimeters. Now coming to the answer, height of a person in centimeters is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So they given 1.65 meters. So 1.65 into 100 centimeters equal to 165 centimeters. So 1.65 meters is expressed as 165 centimeters. Next, height of a person in millimeter is 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. So they given 1.65 meters. So 1.65 into 1000 millimeters. So we are getting 1650 millimeters, or 1650 millimeters. Move on to sixth question. The distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters. Express this distance in kilometers. Answer: distance between Radha's home and her school, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So 3250 meters is divided by into 1000. We are getting 3.25 kilometers. That means 3.250 kilometers. Thus distance between Radha's home and her school is 3.250. That means 3.250 kilometers. Next, move on to seventh question. While measuring the length of a knitting needle, The reading of the scale at one end is 3 centimeters and at the other end is 33.1 centimeter. What is the length of the needle? Answer: length of the needle equal to 33.1 centimeter minus 3 centimeters. We are getting 30.1 centimeter. Next, move on to 8th question. Write the similarities and differences between the motion of a bicycle and a ceiling fan that has been switched on. Answer: similarities. Both the wheels of a bicycle and a ceiling fan exhibit motion on a fixed axis. Next, coming to the differences. Bicycle moves forward direction and shows rectilinear motion, but fan does not show such type of motion. They rotates in a circular path in a fixed point. So these are the similarities and differences exhibit bicycle and ceiling fan. Next, move on to question number 9. Why could you not use an elastic measuring tape to measure distance? What would be some of the problems you would meet in telling someone about a distance you measured with an elastic tape? Answer: an elastic measuring tape gives incorrect or inaccurate length of the distances between 2 points because the length of the elastic tape is increases when it stretched, and the measurements are also vary if same distance is measured with 2 persons. Next, move on to question number 10. Give 2 examples of periodic motion. Answer: examples of periodic motion is string of a guitar, membrane of drums, motion of child on a swing, needle of a sewing machine. Students, here also you should write any 2 of them. Students, if you have any doubts on this topic, please comment in comment section or mail us to srigurubioclasses@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.